Hello everyone. St. Joseph Sakshradhama ICSE School proudly welcomes you all to the new academic year 2021-22. As you know, the previous academic year has been full of challenges, full of learning and full of exploration. Online learning brought lot of challenges, but all of us, including students, teachers and parents, embraced this change and adjusted ourselves to the new platform of learning with a new design and new venture that we could successfully sail through with the cooperation of everyone. Dear students, normally when the new academic year starts, you meet your teachers and friends in the school premises and in the classroom. But now, due to the unprecedented situation of COVID-19, all of us are forced to stay and learn from our home through online classes. In order to make all the online classes more productive and interesting, all of you should follow certain classroom rules and etiquette which are mentioned. First one, be on time. Children, do not be late. Be ready at least 10 minutes before the class begins. Second, be prepared. Sit on a table and do not lie on sofa or bed during the class. Find a comfortable place and keep your things like books, pen, pencil, etc. by your side. No munching or eating is allowed during the session. However, you are allowed to drink water if required. Make sure your electronic gadgets are fully charged and you have stable internet connection before joining the class. Fourth, check your timetable and attend every class as per the time mentioned in the schedule by clicking on the Google Meet link provided by the subject teacher. Wait till the teacher lets you in. You are supposed to join the online class 5 minutes before the scheduled time. A maximum grace period of 5 minutes is allowed after the class starts. So children, do not waste your teacher's time by attempting to enter the class after that. Fifth is dress code. Remember children, even though you are at home, your teacher and classmates can see you. You may be asked to switch on your video anytime. So dress appropriately and be properly groomed. Sixth is mute your microphone and camera. Once you log into the virtual classroom, be sure to mute your microphone and switch off your camera, which is at the bottom of the screen. This will help to eliminate background noise that could distract the class proceedings. Use headphones to ensure that you can hear the teacher properly. Switch on your mic when your teacher asks you to speak. Next is raise your hand and wait to be called. If you wish to speak, use raise hand button at the bottom of your screen. Once the teacher calls on you, unmute yourself and begin to speak. When you have finished speaking, indicate you are done by saying words like thank you or that's all, and then mute your microphone again. Next is recording. Teachers may record the lecture for future reference. Students are not allowed to record any part of the lecture by any means. Next is attendance. Attendance is a crucial component of the online learning process. Follow the instructions given by the teacher so that your attendance is recorded properly. You are supposed to attend the class for the entire duration mentioned in the routine to get the attendance. Next is be respectful. Children, you have to respect your teachers and classmates. Avoid doing things like posting irrelevant links, comments, sharing screen, or engaging into other communication like calls or SMS that might disturb your teacher's lesson and classmates' attention. Last is assignment. Participation in activities is mandatory. Complete and submit all the learning tasks and homework assigned by your teacher on the scheduled date. Stay focused and take down appropriate notes while your teacher is teaching. Dear children, hope all of you will make a good note of the rules and etiquette and follow them properly for the smooth functioning of online classes.